What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, we're gonna be going on a little cruise. We're gonna be having fun. Right now we're just headed out to get Erwin a new boost controller, just because he cut up his last boost controller. So now we're gonna change it, because actually off camera we put my boost controller in his car to see, and when we put my boost controller in, he was hitting boost no problem, but then when we had his in, it was stuck on wastegate. So we're just gonna swap it, get a new one in there. But we got Miles with the M3, we got my 335 out, and then we got Erwin's car right there. Ooh, that looks good with the sunset. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is that what she's looking, guys? Show you guys what Erwin's looking like. He's got the big meaties on there. As you guys saw, he did the 15-inch conversion. Looks really sick. Yeah, so we're just linked up right now, and we're about to cruise, go get Erwin a new boost controller. We're gonna get that wired in, hooked up and everything, and then we're gonna go out. We're gonna go for some runs. Oh yeah.
Right here and then slide it back to there, no? Yeah.
What if it's the wired? How'd you use his?
Which one?
Does he have the same?
He has the same plug-in, yeah.
Hmm.
You think it might be that? It could be.
I'm just
Yeah, I'll just hardwire it.
Yeah, because we don't even know what it is right
I'm
now.
just thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, it's fucked.
What'd you expect?
Yeah,
What'd you expect?
done.
Oh, already?
Yeah, these are fucked up tools, bro.
What is this, Husky or fucking
Stanley.
No,
It looks like my set.
can you hold it?
Actually, my set's missing about half the socket, so it looks a little bit better than mine.
We did so much shit with this toolbox. Like, so much shit.
Alright, so we hopped in with German 2J, Mr. Donovan. We're gonna see if the new Mac works. It hooks too. Holy shit. Oh man, I missed that. Guys, when Erwin was on wastegate pressure, he was so depressed. He's like, I don't even want to drive it. It feels slow. Now he's back in his element. Alright guys, so Erwin just picked up his new solenoid, boostonoid, and as you saw, we just went for a pull, and it is hitting boost. Let's go, boys. So we got that all sorted out. Now we're just gonna chill out for a bit, and then we're probably gonna head out and go for some runs for you guys. So, we got an M4 CS. We got a single turbo 335. M4 CS. This thing in the daytime probably looks nasty. Oh man, I wish you guys could see this. Single turbo 335. Single turbo Skyline. You guys seen the builds? He actually just got the GTR bumper on there. It's not paint matched yet, but wow, that looks really good. The GTR bumper makes it look a lot more aggressive. in my opinion. He's not in there.
Where is he?
I don't know, I think he went inside the shop. Look at those federals, yo.
Station or fire station?
No, police station. Yo, you better make sure those shifts are on point tonight.
Only on 16 pounds.
Yo, who you capping? Yeah, low boost.
I can't shift. I got a broken shift.
Those tires really look like low boost.
I got my hand on the transmission. I'm shifting forward.
Alright guys, so we're in the car right now. We got the walkie-talkies. We got Peeker on the walkie. We're about to head out. We're gonna hit the streets of Mexico.
We go with the flow.
So it's gonna be some good runs. I'm gonna try to line it up with German 2J, try to line it up with Akbar, maybe get some runs in with the 2JZ. We'll see. That's sideways. Yeah.
They did a burnout. I'm like, okay, everything good. But then
He's like, fuck my DME because I'm getting lambda sensor and turning for
Alright guys, so we just went for a couple runs, not many. We didn't get really any successful runs in, but as you see, we just parked up. So we're all just parked up now, looking at the motor, and then we're probably gonna go back out, me, Erwin, and Akbar, and try to get a hit in, us three. So we'll see how it goes.